A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today class is chapter 1 rational numbers. Chapter 1 rational numbers. In the before class exercise 1.2 up to 3 problems completed. Okay?
Next, fourth question, exercise 1.2, fourth question. So here, all of you open the textbook, dear students. Fourth question, find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. So here, once look at the question. How many rational numbers between -1 and 2? 12. So here write, once observe that this is the solution. So once observe that -1 and 2 middle numbers 0, 1, only 3 numbers only will be there, but here given to the 12 rational numbers between, but here given to the only integers, these are integers, yes or no, but here asking the rational numbers. Understand here? Now write the this is the 0 rational numbers, we 12 rational numbers, then denominator here write 1 by 12 and 2 by 12, 3 by 12. So here observe that 2 1 time and 6 times, so here 1 by 6. Okay, but we'll get the 2 onwards, we will write the rational numbers. 3 how many times possible? 4 times, so 1 by 4 will get. So here write 4 by 12, 3, 1 by 3, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, it means of 1 by 2. Next 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, it means of 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 3 by 4. Next 10 by 12, 11 by 12, 12 by 12. So here 12 ones 1 time possible, so that is 1 only there. So next we'll get the 2, -1 and 2 will come, means we should write and so on. 24 by 12, it means if you write the 13 by 12, 14 by 12 and so on. 24 by 12, it means of 12 ones 12s, 12 twos 24. Understand here? Okay, so in the middle numbers 13 by 12 and so on up to 24 by 12 we should write. Understand here? So that is a 2, 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24. Understand here? So it is a 0. So here 12 by 12 and here 1 is there, 12 by 12 is 1 is there and so on. 24 by 12 means 2. So here 0 to -1 to 12, -1 to 2, 12 rational numbers will get. Once observe that here. Next negative numbers, we will write the negative numbers. So here -1 by 2, comma -2 by 12, comma -3 by 12, comma -4 by 12, comma -5 by 12, comma -6 by 12, comma -7 by 12, comma -8 by 12, -9 by 12, comma -10 by 12, comma -11 by 12, comma -12 by 12. So here 1. So we'll get the -1, 0 and 2. Understand here? All are write the rational numbers, must and should. Okay. So here observe that find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. These are -1 and 2 is the between numbers. These are rational numbers. Understand here? Okay. So It is a fourth solution. Understand this one? Okay, right. Next, fifth question. Next one is fifth question. So here, find rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So here, find rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So here given to the two rational numbers. So two rational numbers. What is the 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So here already we explained that in the last class, a comma b any two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2. The relationship between the two rational numbers. What is the formula? A plus b by 2. So here for example we have to take the a and it is a b. So here write a comma b or any two rational numbers such that a plus b by 2. What is the formula? A plus b by 2. Then we will substitute the a and b. So here write a plus b by 2 is equal to, what is the a here? 2 by 3 plus what is the b here? 3 by 4 by 2. So here observe that the numerator one group is there. So these two denominators is two different. So here does not possible of tables. So the LCM is 3 into 4. LCM of 3 into 4 equal to 12. So here write LCM is 12. These two, first this group 12. 3 how many times possible? 4 times. 4 into 2 plus 4 how many times possible? 3. 3 into 3 by 2. Okay. So here 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by 12 divided by 2. So here did not give in the denominator. Then we have to take the 1. So 8 plus 9 17 by 12 into 1 by 2. So the fraction is the change, reverse fraction, because of it is gone to the up. So here 1 by 2. So here symbol of the multiplication, 17 ones 17 by 12 2s are 24. So find rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is equal to 17 by 24. Understand? This is the fifth problem. Okay. Next, sixth question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So here once observe that find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So here given to the rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So first we will find the LCM of two rational numbers. So here 4 comma 6. So LCM of 4 comma 6 is equal to 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are. So finally 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here, so once observe that here given to the first rational number minus 3 by 4. So which number multiply numerator and denominator, we will get the 12. So here first 2 table will do that. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, but a denominator not there. So here 3, next 3 table. 3 3s are numerator and denominator with multiplied. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here the multiply with rational numbers 3 by 3, numerator and denominator same number. So here minus 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. Minus 3 3s are 9 by 3 4s are 12. Next rational number 5 by 6. So here also same. 2 table possible, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Denominator 12 will get. So numerator and denominator multiply with 2. Okay. So here 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Okay. So these between numbers, once draw the number line. So a number line having both values, positive values and negative values are there. 0 right side 0 onwards will write the 1 by 12. So here next 2 by 12 and next 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10 by 12. So right side negative value. So here minus 1 by 12, minus 2 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 8 by 12, minus 9 by 12. So here observe that. So here minus 9 by 12 is there and 10 by 12 is there. We know that. So what is tells the numerator and what is tells the denominator. We know that already last class we explained that. Yes or no? Yes. So here denominator tells that number of equal parts which each unit has been divided. So here to here distance 1 by 12, here to here 1 by 12, here to here 1 by 12, same equal distance. Okay. So numerator tells us how many parts are considered. So here minus 9 by 12. So in the number line negative number is there. Minus 9 by 12 symbol is the negative is there. So left side having a negative numbers. 0 left side having a negative numbers. Then we locate the point minus 9 by 12 on the number line. Next locate the point of a number line 10 by 12. So here 10 by 12. Understand here? So first take the two rational numbers. So here once observe that here given to the 10 rational numbers, not only any two rational numbers. So any two rational numbers also this method are do, and formula also by using. Already we know that formula a comma b any two rational numbers such that of a plus b by 2. Then a plus b by 2, that is a formula. That is also, so here 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Then we have to take the first two rational numbers of LCM. After same denominator will get, after we will draw the number line and locate the points. Understand here? Okay. Next topic is decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal representation of rational numbers. So we know that what is a rational number? Yes, it is a form of a p by q. It is a form of a p by q. So we know that every rational number is in the form of p by q. We know that every rational number form of p by q, and here q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. Understand here? So let us see how to express the rational numbers in the decimal form. How to express in the rational number into decimal form. So here the convert a rational number into decimal by division method. The convert into rational number decimal form by division method. So here for example 1 by 2. For example 1 by 2. So it is a rational number. change it to the decimal number, change it to the decimal form. Okay, so it is a rational number converted to the decimal number. Okay, so here write by using division method. So here 2, 1, then 2, 1 is how many times of possible? So it is not possible, then we have keep the point and take the 0. So how many times of possible? 2 1s 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s 8 and 2 5s 10. The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. It is a one example. So next another example we have to take. Another example. So here 2 by 3. The next example. This is the next example. So we have to take the division method 3 and 2. It is not possible. Take the point and put the point and take the 0. So how many times of possible? 3 table reading. 3 1s 3, 3 2s 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15, 3 6 18, 3 9s 3 6 18, 3 7s 21. 21 is the big number. So in the before number 3 6 18. So 6 times and here 18. So take the borrowing 10. 10 minus 8 2. So here remaining 1 is there. 1 minus 1 0. So here remainder is 2. Remainder 2. Understand here? It is the remainder 0 and here remainder the 2. So then we have to take the another number. Example, another example we have to take. So that is a 5 by 3. Then we have to take the another example 5 by 3. So it is 3, 5. So already 3 is the smaller number, it is the big number. So one time possible, 3 1s 3. Here remaining 2 is there. So 3 2 impossible, no. So then we have to take the 0, put the point and take the 0. So 3 how many times possible? 8 times. 6 3s are 18. Again 20 minus 18 and 2. So again take the 0. Again 6, 18. Again 2. Again 6. So here 18. So remaining 2 is there. Remainder 2 is there. So here observe that it is a 1.666 and so on. We have to take another, take the 0 and 6 will become. So it is 1.666 and so on. So we should write here 1.6 bar. We should write here 1.6 bar. It is another example. So here observe that 1 by 2 is a remainder 0 and quotient is 0.5. So here remainder 2 and quotient 0.6. Understand here? So it is a 1.64, 6 bar. So it is a decimal form of a 2 types are there. So what is that? One is the terminating numbers. One is the terminating. So here decimal numbers such that terminating decimals. First one is the decimal terminating decimals. Second one is the non-terminating recurring decimals or repeating decimals. Understand here? These two methods are there. First one is the terminating decimals and second one is the non-terminating recurring decimals or repeating decimals. So here recurring decimals or repeating decimals, these two types are there. So here how to find the terminating decimals and how to find the non-terminating decimals. Understand here? So, once observe that here 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 we have to take the rational numbers and find the decimals. So, we will find the decimal 0.5 and here remainder 2 and something is there. So, here take the 0 and like that again 6 times possible 18 will get again will 2 remainder 0. So, here also 0.6 bar we should write. So, it is a non-terminating recurring decimals or repeating. It means the numbers are repeating, recurring or repeating. Repeating number will be get. So, that is called a non-terminating recurring or repeating decimals. So, here enough 0.5 okay, remainder 0. It is called a terminating decimals. Understand here? Two types are there, terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. Understand here? So another example also once given, it is the decimal, terminating decimals. I give the one example. These are non-terminating examples. So terminating decimals examples here, I take the one example 25 by 16 here, 25 by 16. Okay. So, it is a terminating decimals examples. How to find the terminating decimal? So, it is take the 16 and 25. So, here how many times possible? 16 ones 16, 16 twos 32. So, here 25 is there. So, one time is possible. So, here write 1, 16 will be get 16. 25 minus 16 means 9. So, here put the point and take the 0. 69 possible? No. Then we keep the point and take the 0. So, how many times possible? 16 table 5 times possible. So, 16 5s are 80. Again here 0, 1. Already keep the point, again take the 0. So, how many times of possible? 6 times possible. 16 6 are 96. We'll get the 4. So, here borrowing 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 9? 0. So, 4. So, again take the 0. How many times possible? 16. 16 1 16. 16 2 32. 2 times possible. 32. So, here take. So, here borrowing 10. 10 minus 2 8. Here remaining 3. 3 minus 3 0. So, already keep the point, take the 0. How many times possible? 5 times possible. 5 60s are 80. So, here remainder 0. Once observe that here 1.5625, these are different numbers. So, end of the 5, again we will repeat the 6 to 5, again repeat the 6 to 5 like that. That is a terminating decimals. These are called a terminating decimals. Understand here? So, remainder 0, remainder once observe that here take any decimal, terminating decimals we have to take the rational numbers, change it to terminating decimals, remainder 0. The quotient is here 0.5 will be there and here 1.5625 is there. So, these are called a terminating decimals. Second one, non-terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring or repeating decimals. So, here observe that 1.666 and here also 0.66. So, that is the repeating numbers. So, for example, I have to take the another example. So, repeating numbers or not. So, here take repeating numbers. These are called a non-terminating recurring decimals. So, I give the one example, do that. That is your classwork, write that. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 example. Example 1 by 7. So, here 7 and 1. 0.0. One time possible. 7 1 7. 7 2s are 14. It is not possible. One time. 10 by 7. So, here 10 by 7 means here 10 minus 7 is 3. Already keep the point and take the 0. How many times possible? 4 times. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. So, it is not possible. So, here 7 4 is 28. So, here borrowing 10 minus 8, 2, remaining 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So, again take the 0, 2 times possible, 7 2s are 14. So, here write 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Again take the 0. Seventh table. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 42. Yes or no? 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56. So 7 8 is 56. Remainder 4 is there. Remainder 4 is there. 70, 56, remainder 4. 60 minus 56, 4. So here 6, 0. So 4 0 40. Here 0.1428. So here 40. So we should write here 40. Okay. So 7 how many times possible? 7 how many times? 7 7 5 is 35. Here 5 times. 7 5 is 35. So here 5. Again take the 0. How many times? 7 7s are 49. 1 will be get. 50 minus 49, it means borrowing 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 0, 1 time. 7 1 7. Again 3. So at the same, so here 0.1428571. So again repeating. So next one possible of here take the 0. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, again 4, 28. So already here 0.14 completed, up to here one completed, again 1 4 2 8 5 7 like that only. So these are called a non terminating recurring decimals or repeating decimals.
So the next topic is conversion of decimal form into rational form. Conversion of decimal form into rational form. So here decimals, two types of decimals, terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals. Understand? So the first one is converting. So here the first one is converting terminating decimal to rational form. What is the first one? Converting terminating decimal to rational form. The second point is converting a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. So here two types of decimals are there, terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals or repeating decimals. So these two types of decimals changed to the rational form. Okay. So this first we have to take the first concept, converting terminating decimals to rational form. So I give the one example. So here example. So here 15.75. So listen carefully dear students, we read as 15.75. These are decimal numbers, these are decimal points. Because of here point after numbers we have read as 75. Some members read as 75. That is not correct way. So 15.75. Understand here? So here observe that how many point after how many decimals are there here? 2 decimals. Okay. So here observe that first this is the find the number of decimals in the given number, and 2 decimal places are there here. 2 decimal places are there. Okay. So multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. Then point after how many decimals has there? 2 decimals. Then we have to take the multiply and divided with 1 after we have to take the 2 zeros. Take 1 annexed with as many zeros as the number of decimal places. So here 1 after point after how many decimals is the 2 decimals. Then we have to take the 1 after 2 zeros. Understand here? Multiply and divide the given decimal with this number. With this number means point after 2 decimals are there, then we should keep as 1 after 2 zeros. So 100. So here write solution 15.75 into 100 divided by 100. Because of here point after 2 decimals as there, then we have keep write the 1 after 2 zeros, multiply and divide. Okay, next. So here multiply that 15 point, so here write 15.75 into 100. So it is 15.75 into 100. So here do that multiplication. 0 5s 0, 0 7s 0, 0 5s 0, 0 1s 0. Next 0 5s 0, 0 7s 0, 0 5s 0, 0 1s 0. Next here 5 1s 5, 1 7s 7, 1 5s 5, 1 1s 1s. Okay. So here 0, 0, 5, 7, 5, 1. So here 15.75. Here how many digits after keep the point, decimal point? 1, 2. So 1, 2. Understand here? So that is equal to 1575 by 100. 15.75 into 100 by 100. So it is the product of the 15.75 and 100, 1575 divided by 100. Okay. Next, reduce the above rational number to the simplest form. So reduce, it is the simplest form, that is also do that. Okay, 1575 by 1000. So here first ones place is the 0 is there and 5 is there. I think it is 5 table possible. Understand here, 5 table possible. Once do that, 2 5s 10, again 2 0. Okay, 5 table. Next here 5 table, 3 5s 15 completed. Here 7 is there, 5 1s 5. Here remaining 7 minus 5 means 2 is there. 2 5 25, 5 5s are 25. So here write 315 by 20. Again 5 table possible. So 5 table, 4 5s 20. Here 6 5s 30. 30 minus 1. So here 31 is there. 30 minus 31 minus 30 means 1 is there. 1 5 15. So 3 5s 15. Finally 63 by 4. It is a simplest form. It is a simplest form. So here first 100 by 100, multiply the given number. Because of here point after how many decimals are there? 2 decimals. Then we have to take the point after 2 zeros. Okay. Then here 1 decimal is there. Then we have to take the point 1 after 1 0. 10 by 10 like that. Here 2 decimals are there. Then we have to take the 2 zeros. Okay. The multiply that with number that 1575. So here 5 table. So it is once observe that here 1575 by 100. Okay, it is a form of a rational number. It is a form of a rational number. Change it to decimal number, change it to rational number. Then it is the simplest form. Okay, so here to write the up to here only. Okay, but it is the simplest form because of it, this number is possible of tables. So we should write here simplest form. Understand here? This problem is understand? Okay. Next one is the next one, converting a non-terminating recurring decimals into a rational form. Okay. Next question, converting the rational form. Which number? Non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. So this is the next concept. First one completed. What is the first one? Converting a terminating decimal into rational form. So this is the second concept. Converting a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. So here given that here non-terminating decimal, non-terminating recurring decimals, it means of repeating point after repeating numbers. Okay, so change it to the, this is the decimal form, change it to the rational form. What is a rational form? P by Q. What is a rational form? P by Q. So I give the one example, 0.4 bar. Okay, it read as 0.4 bar. So we should write here this one 0.444 and so on. Okay, next first give the number. We have to take here, let x equal to 0.4 bar. So then we have to take this decimal is the x, we have to take that. Okay, so here x equal to 0.4 bar means we should write 4 and so on. Okay, this is the equation 1. We have to take the equation 1. Understand here? X equal to, let us take x equal to 0.4 bar. Let us take x equal to 0.4 bar. So x is equal to 0.4. We should write the remove the bar for 0.444 and so on. So this is the equation 1. So here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. So here periodicity of the decimal is 1. Point after decimal, how many decimals are there? 1 decimal. Understand here? 1 decimal. So here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. Here write. Here the periodicity of the decimal 1. So here point after decimal 1 is there. So then we have to take the with the multiply. So we multiply both sides. So we multiply both sides of by 10. Understand here? Point after how many decimals are there? So here take point after how many decimal? 1 is there. So here then we have to take the 10, multiply with both side, equation 1. Okay, so here, so we multiply both sides by 10. Equation 1. Okay, so here 10 into x. 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.444 and so on. Okay, so here observe that 0.444 into 10. 0.444 into 10. 0, 0, next 0 4 0, 0 0 0. So here 1 4 4, 1 4 4, 1 4 4, 1 0 0. Okay, 0 4 4 4 0. Okay, so here observe that point after how many decimals are there? 3 decimals. We get the answer. We get the answer 1 2 3. 3 digits after you keep the point. So here finally 10 into x equal to 10x equal to 4.440. Okay, and so on. Understand here? Right. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. Understand here? Then let us take x equal to 0.4 bar and x equal to remove the bar 0.44 and so on. This is the equation number 1. So here periodicity is here 1 because of point after how many decimals? 1. Then we multiply both sides 10, equation 1. Okay. So 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.444 and so on. 10 into x equal to 10x is equal to 4.440 and so on. Okay. Right. Next here subtracting equation 1 and 2. It means equation 1 and 2. It means here 10x is equal to 4.44 and so on. Okay. Next here equation 1. What is the equation 1? X equal to 0.444 and so on. So here also take 4. So subtracting equation 1 and 2 or 1 from 2. So here subtraction is minus, here keep the minus. Okay. So here 4 minus 4, 0. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Next 4 minus 0, 4 point. 10x minus x. 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 9x equal to 4.000. Okay. So here observe that 10x minus x, here symbol is the small number. So then we have to take the positive. 9x is equal to 4.000. So finally we should write 9x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 9. What is the x here? What we have to take the x here? X equal to 0.4 bar. So here we should keep as this is the decimal number. This is the decimal number. Convert to the here converting the rational form. Converting the rational form. Understand here? This method is the converting a non-terminating recurring decimals into rational form. Understand? It is given to the non-terminating recurring decimal. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. This is the example of non-terminating recurring decimal. So x equal to 0. Remove the bar means 4, 4, 4 and so on. Okay. So subtracting equation 1 from 2. 1 from 2. 10x is equal to 4.444 and so on. X equal to 0.444. So here 10x minus x equal to 9x. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Here 4 minus 0 equal to 4. So finally 9x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 9. This is a rational form. This is a rational form. Understand here this one? Dear children, once look here. This is the example for converting a non-terminating recurrent decimal to rational form. So students, I hope to understood these problems. Okay. Next class we will explain the exercise 1.3. Okay dear students. Okay. Thank you.